the time again where I get called to jury duty. Just want to let you know that you can park at the Disney Concert Hall. If you just shine your juror's badge when you go into parking, and when you come out of parking, then it's free. Also, if you get picked up for another day, you can apply to get a 7-day Metro line pass, which I thought was really cool. So if you get called back the next day, just go up to the clerk there and tell them you're coming back the next day, and they will give you a 7-day Metro pass, even if you're not there 7 days. So it's good for you to have for up to 7 days. So like I said, there's a Disney Concert Hall right here. You can park there by just flashing your badge, or you get that free, or you catch the Metro rail, line, bus, whatever, come down, and they'll give you a 7-day tap card. I think that's pretty cool. Good luck with it. Okay guys, looks like I've been transferred over to East LA Courthouse. So I gotta catch the yellow line over there. And I haven't been over there before, so we're gonna take a journey over to East LA. See if it's easier as they say it is to get to. But it happens when you do jury duty, you get transferred to different courts, so here we go. So I have to take the Metro red line over to Union Station, where I'm gonna pick up the gold line to East LA. So let's see how easy it is to get around on that, okay? Wish me luck. Okay, the gold line station's at at Union Station, but it's actually on the upper level. The red line's at the lower level. So you have to walk around and walk upstairs to get to the station platform for the gold line. It's a pretty new line in Los Angeles. So I'm at Union Station right now and to Civic Center, East LA. Yeah, I made it to East LA. I'm trying to find the courthouse. It's the first time been here before. I think I'm going the right path. But welcome to East LA. I haven't ate lunch yet, so I think I'm gonna stop in and get some sushi teriyaki. Let me see how good that teriyaki is. It's on the corner of Civic Center Way and 3rd Street. So let's go give it a shot. See what we got. Okay, everybody, I stopped for lunch. I'm here at California Sushi Teriyaki. I just ordered the lunch special, which comes out about $12.05 as meal drink. That's about 368 Thai baht for those in Thailand. And this is what you get. What I thought was kind of weird is that I ordered it for here and I got a takeout box, so everyone else has a platter. So let's see what's going on. Okay, the food at California Sushi Teriyaki was okay. I'm kind of spoiled to Thailand when it comes to Asian food, so it's probably not as more expensive than anywhere else. And the thing with the styrofoam, seemed like the lunch special comes in styrofoam. That's the only dish, so I guess that's sort of on a takeout lunch theme. So nothing had to do with me. That's why I waited around to watch. So if you ever get to East LA, yeah, it's worth a try. You know, it was okay. I mean, it wasn't bad. It was great. It was like normal Asian food in Los Angeles. To tell the truth, which was Thai. It was funny because it was called teriyaki, which is Japanese, but the chef was Korean. So it was not unusual for Los Angeles at all, period. So don't think that has anything to do with it, but I was just kind of curious that they're doing Japanese cuisine, which is okay. Korea, yeah, Japan, okay, I get it, no problem. But yeah, if you're hungry, it's right across the street from the courthouse. Check it out, California Sushi Teriyaki.